Right, go ahead.
In those days, Caesar Augustus issued a decree that citizens should be taken of the entire Roman world. This was the first census that took place of Quirinius as governor of Syria. And they all went around town to register. So Joseph also went up to a town in Nazareth in Galilee to Judea, the town of Bethlehem and the town of David, to the belonged in a house of light of David. He went there to be registered with Mary, who was pledged to be buried to him, but was expecting a child. While they were there, the time came for the babe to be born, and she gave birth to her firstborn, a son. She wrapped him in cloth and placed him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn. There shepherds living out in the fields nearby, keeping watch over their flocks by night. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. But the angel said unto them, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news of great joy that shall be to all the people.